one mall मा पुगेछ
आज खजा लिएर लान night
out night out भन्छ यसले what oh it's a
night market
अरे it's like for family कुनै के अरे Thanksgiving को before मा
pumpkin the on the time the spooky
woo let's go in first Mamale abo she want to take pictures. Ooh, it's foggy and it's cold.
baby
Look at her.
oh baby
This is Square One in Mississauga. The mall
we are lost actually
Yeah, we're lost actually. We want to go to night what's that?
night market
In Square One, but there's so many entrances like we couldn't find it, so hope we'll find that place before it gets dark. It's somewhere inside this mall, but this is a huge mall. Let's see. Now it's photo session for mom and baby. For mom and baby, you will also post this like some photos at the end, so guys keep watching.
so the night market we are on the way before we enter the 4:21 yeah ani baby tada palagi khidesha
Bichara, she kept on crying, so
they
couldn't let her in stroller anymore. I had to
ante nanglo chik taura khari du ya
Linda 오늘 안 사네.
wow that's so pretty Ninjala art
यो सबै कसले गरेको छ
sui
फ्रेशली
ale ninja theda khara jaga lagi ortara so address lagi ortara mila latte shoya
baby sabai like most of the people are here. That means like the night village hai na night market is somewhere nearby, so let's see we're almost there I guess. We asked someone inside.
over there
Oh, look at there, like we asked someone inside, they said it's on P6, that is parking 6, so we are almost there. If you guys can see it from here, I think this hala ni त्यो उयो पनि रहेछ नि त्यो फेयरतिर हुनेहरू अनि त्यहाँ उयो छ
we are late actually
Late?
already done
Yeah, but then don't worry, it's open till 11
but
p.m.
it's night market
Yeah, finally we are here. This is the night market. Kuni ke are? NMTO na ke are? Oh.
NMTO I don't know what's the meaning. It could be night
Happy Halloween everybody.
night market
यो चाहिँ मन पर्छ के pumpkins हरु यसो राखेर.
maybe
This
night
is the
market
month
corner.
soon going to be उयो हुन्छ नि NMTO भने यहाँ पुरा लाइन लगाएर फोटो खिच्दैछ मान्छेले फन डगको छेउमा अझै अनि यहाँ NMTO यसो मान्छेहरू कति लाइन लगाएर बसिरहेछ. They all are here to take pictures.
Today is a cheat day.
Yes, sir?
Today is cheat day.
Today is cheat day.
For us, it's every day is cheat day. well.
Monday we have next week is Thanksgiving, and
Hot
after
dog.
that, like she was telling me from the midway that she wanna try this hot dog. I wish I could try this, but then I think they have Sha on it. Sha Reza, so
Baby,
my bad luck.
baby. The parquetila line up the tonsa. The parquetila. So we are not gonna wait for that. And the line up the parquetila. Nganzo gue meal did the burger. Kare mustache burger bin line into the buto. Ngapai try che. Got cheesecake. Cheesecake dish no dish to. Ni la hot dog de da ye cho de. Chega yu shen yo. Da de try che. Mingi gara mingi ge kunzo de tang da. Tu ba do de ni jum. Joshua la ya in the to tang de yo. Cute. 이제 안 썼다는데 어셀라 쪼저거려 땅다. 쪼저거려 땅사 닝지 뭐뭐.
Candy shop. कस्तो मजाको रहेछ नि चाहिन्छ भने के छ नि हाम्रो कत्रो लाइनअप रहेछ हेर्नु नि फ्रम देयर I don't know.
The line the color the line they
कुन चाहिँ
बता.
हो? If it's for
अनि
there,
खै
कि यसको लागि हो पनि
Oh, 6 donuts.
6 donuts को लागि
6
होला
donuts for the line up.
still here पुरा लास्टसम्म उयो रहेछ which is really cool है but I think चाहिँ उयसको लागि पनि हुन सक्छ बेबी
Huh?
maybe for that या उयसको लागि हो सबै चिजमा त लाइनको उयो बसिरहेछ she tried that what do you call it? She tried that regular corn dog which she didn't like at all. I mean now she wanna try this cheesecake. It says today is cheat day.
You try to tell me. You don't want to try.
No, I don't think so. They have any vegetarian option. I mean for cake, let's see. But yeah, okay. So we decided not to. Yo, abo. यहाँ सकेपछि यतातिर चाहिँ ट्राई गर्नुपर्छ होला ठिकै छ उसको नाम बोलायो गयो हेरौँ तर सरी
1, 2, and 3. Just test.
ट्राई गर्नु लागि ल
You should try too. La.
तेरो त्यो फर्स्टको चाहिँ फेल थियो her first one was fail.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see what reviews he gives after eating this. What's it?
Cheesecake? Not bad.
Is it?
Not bad. Instagram photo kissing.
Is it? Is it that good?
This got baby.
It's a cake? Really? Yes. I did jam line.
Line ni da ni hanzo de lei photo. Hanzo next hanzo turn re. Next hanzo turn re.
It's our turn. So if you want to have a group photo, I think we have to request someone to take a picture.
Yeah. Ondir the but the problem main ya. Nganto ni masih mara. Ani photos nganto ni nyam the photo chinam de. Park na nganto la park suge da.
Public. You can ask anybody.
Mila rega si de cho.
Finally, it's her turn. Yeah, baby. Photo की वीडियो आ रही है? यहाँ pumpkinहरू रहेछ
That's it. That's a lot day. Exit ni. Did they exit? Exit hills.
Going back to Niagara Falls now.
Going back to Niagara Falls.
Ani, we'll see you guys again on. Wait, baby.
Wait.
This way, it's on the.
There.
Oh. What?
Oh. Kepan naso. Tangan so. Niagara Falls a lot dahin. Honey, Gizi Council. If you like this video,
Give it a thumbs up, share,
like.
and subscribe.
Tak pada semua tu lah tu. Kau tu, mi good desa. Paja. Tama nak cuma kaya tu tu nama. Ani, manzogi. Oh, my phone. Oh my goodness. I broke my phone. Screensaver. It's not cold, it's not warm, and the weather is just
weather we could
perfect.
ask for.
Just perfect. Come on. I'll push.
I can hold this. Wait.
I'll push. Ani, what I was saying.
The perfect weather
Perfect.
you could wish for.
Ani, thank you so much for your love and support. Ayo. Yeah, and also video taran samshay. Ani, see you guys in my next video. Till then, be safe and take care. Bye bye.